Welcome back, dear students. So today we are going to see subtraction of algebraic expression. So first let's start with a simple expression. For example, if you want to subtract minus 7abc from 2abc. One thing I would like to revise you that subtraction and addition can be possible for the algebraic expression under the like terms. Means only like terms can be added or can be subtracted. So here you need to subtract minus of 7abc from 2abc. So we'll write down here in a vertical column like 2abc, we'll write up here because we need to subtract from 2abc. So we'll write 2abc, then we'll write down minus of 7abc here, minus 7abc. So here subtraction, you need to understand that to subtract similar terms we need to change the sign of the subtrahend. Here we'll change the sign of this expression here and we proceed as there. Like here it is of minus sign, minus 7abc, so we'll change its sign. After changing its sign it become a plus. We need to change sign, it is very compulsory. I'll tell you why. Like here after changing sign, what it become now? Plus 7abc. Always remember to change the sign of the subtrahend here, and you can do it mentally also. Now it become 2 plus 7. So what is 2 plus 7? It is 9abc. This is the we have done in a vertical way. If you want to do it in horizontal way, we can do here. Like we need to subtract minus of 7abc from 2abc. So we'll write down 2abc minus of 7abc. So this is actually we have to perform minus of 7abc, that remove it from 2abc. So we'll get it 2abc minus of minus, when opening bracket outside minus and it become plus 7abc. And we know that 2 plus 7 it is 9abc. You can add it here because here they are the like terms, abc variable with the same powers here also and here also. So this we have done here in a vertical way, and this is in a horizontal manner we have done the subtraction. So in a horizontal way you can just simply perform in a line and you can solve it, and in a vertical way you will write down here upper, that is from which part we have to subtract, and from the lower we'll change the sign. Like for example, again we'll solve the another questions. Subtract minus 4a from 5a. So friends, here we need to subtract minus of 4a from 5a. So we'll write down 5a, and here again we'll write a minus of 4a. And then afterwards, as we know that we need to change the sign of this subtrahend, so here we'll write a plus after changing sign. Now it become plus 5 plus 4, that is a 9a. And if you want to see here in vertical way, you can write 5a minus of minus 4a, which become 5a minus minus plus 4a, which is nothing but a 9a. So now if you want to subtract 5n from 3m, so here observe it carefully, we need to subtract 5n from 3m. Here they are unlike terms. These are unlike terms. So for the unlike terms, we just need to indicate it. The sign of the subtract, we'll just write it like subtract from a 3m. What we need to subtract? 5n. So we'll write a 5n, and that's it. We'll write here like this. Why? Because they are unlike terms, we cannot solve them further. So the subtraction of the terms which are not similar, they can only be indicated. However, you need to change the sign here. Like here I have changed the positive 5n as a negative. So means what I have actually done here I have wrote 3m, and here we want to subtract 5n, so we just change the sign, it become 3m minus of 5n. This is a vertical way and this is a horizontal way. As these are unlike term, we will mention it like this only, and further we cannot do it. So now friends, we will see subtraction of these expressions. Till now we have seen of a simple expression. Now we'll go for it. It is we need to subtract 2x plus 3y from 3x plus 7y. So from this expression we have to remove it. So we'll write this expression 3x plus 7y here. Then afterwards we will write on 2x plus 3y. And remember, we need to write down the like terms below one another. Like here 3x, so its like term is 2x. And here 7y, so its like term is 3y. Then afterwards, very important, we need to change sign. So changing sign here of the subtrahend, here it will be minus of 2x, it will be minus of 3y. Now just perform them mentally, like 3x minus of 2x. We know that actually it is 3x minus of 2x. So 3 minus 2 will get a 1x, or 1x is generally, you can write x also. So it is 1x. Now friends, plus 7 minus 3y. That means plus 4y. This is the answer. Again here we need to subtract from 2a plus b minus of 2. You need to subtract 5a minus 3b. And here is not constant available, so we'll leave it blank. Now change sign. So we'll change a sign here. So now here it is no constant, so we'll leave it like this. Now just change the sign of this minus. Actually it is a positive 5a, so it become minus 5a. Now it is minus 3b, so it will become a plus. When changing sign, the positive will give a negative, negative will give a positive. So here it is 2a minus 5a. 2a is smaller, we need to subtract it from 5a, so we'll get a 3a. And the bigger number sign, that is of minus 3a. Plus b plus 3b. So here is coefficient is 1. If nothing is there, by default 1 is there. Plus 1 plus 3 is plus 4b. And we'll write down this minus 2 as it is. So now we will do the subtraction of these expressions. So here we need to change a sign. X minus 3 we need to subtract from x minus 3. So we'll change a subtrahend signs here. It become minus and minus become plus. And friends, we know that here it is x and it is minus x. X and minus x are additive inverse of each other, so it gives us 0. And here minus 3 plus 3, again they are additive inverse of each other, so it gives us 0. So final answer we get a 0 here. So next is here we need to subtract 5x square minus 3y square from 0. Now we'll change a sign here. Here it become minus of 5x square and it become plus. Whatever the terms are there, we'll change their sign. So 0 minus 5x square is minus 5x square. Removing from 0 is nothing, the number itself. Now it become a plus 3y square. Now here again we'll change the sign. It become plus m, it become minus, and minus become plus. Only we are changing signs of these expressions, these expressions, below expressions. So now 2m minus m, actually it is 1m. So 2 minus 1 it is 1m. Minus n plus n will cancel each other, means it become a plus 0. So answer is just m. 1m is only m. Minus n plus n will cancel each other. Next we will change a sign of this below expression, that is subtrahend minus. It become minus become plus, plus become minus. So we are actually changing sign here. Now we will perform a subtraction. 7 minus 5, you will get a 2m square. They are like term, so we can perform it. Plus mn minus become plus. Here it is 1 is a coefficient. Plus 1 plus 3. Now we will go with the recent sign. Plus 1 plus 3 is a plus 4mn. And here it is minus 4 minus 1. Nothing is there, means 1 is there. Minus 4 minus 1. We'll add them and give a sign of minus 5n square. So next our question is from the sum of x square minus 2xy plus y square and x square plus 2xy plus y square. We need to subtract these expression. So first here we have to perform our first question, that is we'll find out the sum of these two expression. We'll write down x square minus 2xy plus y square, and we need to add it with x square plus 2xy plus y square. First of all we will perform sum. Here after doing addition, in addition we will not change any sign, just do it. Here it is 1 by default, and here also 1 as a coefficient. So 1 plus 1 is a 2x square. And minus 2 plus 2 will give us 0. Minus 2 plus 2 will cancel. And here 1 plus 1, 2y square. So we get answer 2x square plus 2y square. Now from this expression we need to subtract this part. So now we'll perform the next part, that is subtract x square minus 4xy plus 4y square from the sum. The sum is 2x square plus 2y square. So we'll write down here. We need to subtract it. So 2x square plus 2y square. Now friends, we need to subtract it. So we'll write on minus. I am performing in a horizontal way. X square minus 4xy plus 4y square. From this expression, I am subtracting this. So this expression I'll write down first. 2x square plus 2y square. Now outside of the bracket minus sign is there. So we'll change the inside sign just like we have performed in a vertical way. It become minus x square minus minus, it gives a plus 4xy. Minus of minus, it become a minus plus it become minus 4y square. Now just check out the like terms and they write them together. 2x square, its like term is minus x square, plus 2y square, its like term is minus 4y square, and plus 4xy is as it is. So 2 minus 1, these are the like terms. We can subtract them. So 2 here is nothing, means 1 is there. 2 minus 1, 1x square. Now here it is plus, it is minus. We'll perform a subtraction. 4 minus 2 will give a minus 2y square, bigger number sign, and plus 4xy. So this is our final answer. Now friends, we will go for the simplification or simplify these expressions where the operations are combined. So now first of all we'll write down here 5x plus in bracket 3x minus 7. So we'll open this bracket, we'll write down 5x plus is there, so we'll open with the bracket plus 3x plus or minus minus 7. Generally when outside is plus sign, so inside signs will not go change. We know that friend 5x plus 3x are the like term. 5 plus 3 will give a 8x minus 7. So this is the final answer. Now we'll go for here 11. Here plus is outside, means inside of signs will not go change. Plus minus minus 7a, and here it is plus 4. 11 plus 4, we know that 15 minus 7a. 7a will not having any like term, so will remain it as it is. Now 6x, here we'll write plus minus minus 7x plus minus minus 2y. So friends, here we know that it's 6x and 7x, these are the like term, so we can perform their operation subtraction here. 6 minus 7, so here it is one positive integer, one negative integer. Will remove 6 from 7 and give a sign of 7. It is minus 1x minus 2y. So now we'll write 8 minus of 3y. Outside is minus sign, so we'll open the bracket with minus sign. 8 minus 3y, and this minus and this plus, minus plus become minus 4. Friends, we'll write down 8 minus this 4 and this minus 3y, not having any like term. Perform here. 8 minus 4 is 4 and minus of 3y. If there is no like term, we'll write down it as it is. So now friends, we will observe here again some more simplification questions are available. So observe this question. Here we are having two bracket. First this is the innermost bracket and outside is a curly bracket. So first we'll go for the innermost bracket. We'll as it is write down other things, minus of 2b. Now we'll focus on this bracket here. Outside of the bracket minus sign is there, so inside terms signs are going to change. 3b is of positive, when open with a minus sign it become minus 3b. Here 8c is of positive, outside is of minus sign, so it become minus 8c. So now we have opened this bracket. Now again if you follow it carefully, here minus sign is there outside of the curly bracket. So inside all terms signs are going to change whenever outside minus sign is there. So minus minus it become plus 2b, minus minus it become plus 3b, and here minus of minus means plus 8c. Now our next step is to just observe the like terms. If available, add them or subtract them, otherwise leave it. So here if observing 2b plus 3b will give a 5b. So it is 5b plus 8c. So now friends, we will go for the another simplified question. Like here we are having 3x minus of in bracket x minus 4x plus 3y plus 5y. So we'll go for this bracket first and we'll write other term as it is, a minus of x. Now outside of this bracket is minus sign, so we'll change the inner sign. Here it is plus 4x become minus 4x and plus 3y will become minus 3y plus 5y. This is opened and now it will be plus 5y. Here it is closed. So now friends, here it is 3x and outside of this square bracket there is again a minus sign. So we'll go for the changing all the sign of these terms. It become minus x and minus minus it become a plus 4x, minus 3y will become a plus 3y and plus 5y become a minus 5y. So now at this moment we need to combine the like terms and add or subtract them. So here if you see these three are like term and these two are like terms. So we'll go for their operation. Like here 3 minus 1. Nothing is there means 1 is there. So 3 minus 1 will give a 2. And 2 plus 4 will give a 6. So 6x is here answer. This step you have to do mentally. Now 3y minus 5y. 3 minus 5 will give a minus 2y. So this is the final answer. Now friends, we'll go for the evaluate. Now there are the variables in a binomial or a trinomial. In algebraic expression, we need to put the variables value. Like here a is minus 4. And what said to us? Evaluate a plus 8 for a is equal to minus 4. That means we need to put this a's value in the expression. Like here a is there, so in place of a we'll put a minus 4 and plus 8. We know that friend, one positive, one negative will give a subtraction. And that is plus 4 is the answer. Bigger number sign. Next here m square minus n square for m is equal to minus 2 and n is equal to 6. Two variables are there and we need to put their value in this expression. So m is what? Minus 2. So we'll put a, instead of m we'll put a minus 2 and its square is there, so we'll write here also square. Minus n square. N's value is 6. So we'll put a 6 square. Now minus 2 two times. So minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 6 two times. 6 into 6. So here we'll get a 4 minus 36. Friends, here we get a 4 minus 36. We'll perform their subtraction. One positive integer, one negative integer will get a subtraction. And the minus 32 will be the answer. Now friends, we have the expression simplify and then we need to find out the final value, that is evaluate. So as you can see here, first I have the two options. I can put up value, then later on simplify. Otherwise I'll go for simplifying the expression. Here I see the like term 3x square and 4x square. I will put them together, 3x square and 4x square, in order to simplify. Then I'll write minus of 8b with 11ab. So friends, what I am doing, I am combining the like terms for making it simpler. 3 plus 4 will give us 7x square and here minus 8 plus 11 will give a minus of or plus, that is a plus 3ab. Here it is minus 8, here it is plus 11, we'll do the subtraction, it become a plus 3ab. Now at this moment, the 4 terms, we have reduced it to the 2 terms only. Now we'll put these values, that is x2 and a is nothing but minus 1 we need to put, and for the b we need to put a minus 3. So after putting the value, we'll solve it. 7x square, x is 2, that is means 2's square, plus 3ab means 3 multiplied by a multiplied by b, minus 1 is a and b is minus of 3. 7 into 2 square is what? 4. Here we'll get it 3 minus 1 into minus 3, that is again plus 3. So friends, now 7 4s are 28 plus 9 will get it here. So friends, here do the just simple addition. Here we'll get a 28 plus 9, 37 will get a. So here in this we have first done the simplification, then we have put the values. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.